Hey, what's up everybody? Nsheppard, Willies at Akins. Today we're talking ReadyLIFT suspensions. Here behind me we have a 2020 Ram 1500. We're installing a 3.5-inch SST kit from ReadyLIFT. That leads me into telling you guys about ReadyLIFT. So, you know, if you follow our social media pages or YouTube even, you've probably seen we use ReadyLIFT a lot. And you may not know much about ReadyLIFT because they're a fairly new company in the automotive accessory industry. So instantly you may not get that initial integrity feeling just because you don't know about it. But let me tell you guys, ReadyLIFT is a phenomenal company. Started back in 2006, small group of guys said, hey, let's offer quality products made here in America that's really going to change the game and offer some components that aren't currently available on the market as well. And that really where it all started with level kits. So then in 2010 they said, hey, we're going to offer a new technology called SST kits, or smart suspension technology, like we have here behind us, which is where if you don't want to go to where you're truly cutting framework, you don't want to go too high, but a level kit just isn't enough. The SST kit, typically is a 3.5-inch kit, is a game changer. We've used it, had great success out of that as well. Then later, 2014 came around, they said, hey, we want to get into the actual true suspension kits, and that's why now you see in that 5 to 8-inch range, they have a lot of kits available for that application as well. So no doubt our #1 selling part number is 662215. It's a ReadyLIFT 2.25-inch level kit for 2015 and up F-150s. We love this because it's made in USA, in-house at ReadyLIFT, which we truly love. Kit looks great, perfectly level. You can go to a 2-inch, it's going to still have a slight downward rake. A 2.5, it could be a little bit nose heavy on the front. The 2.25, very reliable, very durable, a perfect product, very cost effective as well. Stepping up to the SST kit, as I mentioned earlier, the SST kit was developed in 2010. ReadyLIFT basically said, hey, we're going to embark on an effort to expand our suspension beyond leveling, while really want to emphasize superior performance, including that factory-like ride and handling. So that's when the SST was born, and it stands for Smart Suspension Technology. You know, it was kind of challenging at first, but they really focused on key features like, you know, proper handling, ride quality, turning radius, reliability, and of course durability. So with those goals in mind, they developed this world-class kit, which has been a game changer for us. Gives you, more ground clearance, tire clearance as well, and just it looks great. First and foremost, we want it to look good. We know that's the case with that. They also have the SST 3000, which includes performance shock absorbers as well. All these SST kits come with upper control arms, as I'll show you in some of our kits we've done in the past. So it's been a really great thing for us. The vehicle we have behind us is a 2020 Ram 1500. This is a lot vehicle. It's our Covert edition. It's going to get the 3.5-inch kit. I'll show you some more components with it also. Then later on, guys, in 2014, that's when they really stepped it up, like I was mentioning, with the true suspension options. We came in there heavy. We came in there strong with the 7-inch kit on our previous 2019. We threw 24x12s on it. Phenomenal looking vehicle, had great success out of that. Here's a few shots of that vehicle. Fast forward a year, 2015, here at Wild Willies, we do a lot of Jeep customizations, suspension wise. So in 2015, we were happy to see that ReadyLIFT said, hey, we're going to get in the Jeep game and we're going to get in there strong. So that they introduced in 2015 a full line of JK products, and have a lot for the JL as well, from just true level kits to actual struts, track bar, springs and spacers, the full 9 yards. They've got all your options. If you're out on the West Coast, you probably heard of ReadyLIFT more than people here on the East Coast have, simply because they've been in the trophy truck world. They've helped Jimmy McGrath win some championships in his trophy truck, which is totally awesome. If you have other type of vehicles like Subaru Outbacks or various other SUVs or different vehicles, ReadyLIFT has gotten that game as well, offering lift and level kits for Jeep Grand Cherokees, total options across the board for that also. Check them out at ReadyLIFT.com. They've got a great website. They're backed now by Fuel Wheels. So a lot of the fuel products that you see out there are running ReadyLIFT level kits and lift kits. So great brand. Just because you haven't heard about them and they're not in the mainstream, like some of your other major players, this has been around for a whole lot more many years. ReadyLIFT is a legit contender. They are leading the game when it comes to level kits and this SST kit for sure. So you can go with a certain height and not have to cut frame. So basically a true suspension kit, you have to modify and cut your frame to where it can never go back. But with the SST kit, 3.5 inches gives you a lot more options for wheel and tire packages, enables you to be cost effective and not damage that high-end vehicle to where you can always go back to stock if you plan to resell or just ready for a different look. Okay, now guys, let's take a look at some of the build progress on our 3.5 inch SST kit on this Ram 1500 here behind me. Truly the SST kit is my favorite kit that ReadyLIFT has, and essentially because you don't have to cut the frame, you don't have to throw big money towards a kit just to get a certain look or stance. You can throw that 3.5 inch kit on there, be in that mid-level lift, still can fit under many parking garages, parking decks, even at your house, and still clear 35s with an aggressive offset. We've done several vehicles. We did Yappy's truck with this same kit, and he's got 22 by 12s, negative 44. You can fit some phenomenal size wheel and tire combos under this kit, and so it's very versatile, very cost effective, and been very reliable throughout. Obviously the Ford F-150 is different than the Ram 1500 suspension wise. So in the rear you have the coil springs in the rear on the Ram, so the kit's slightly different than the Ford, but you just have a spacer to go on top to get that extra clearance, and then a different bump stop there also. So there's your factory bump stop location. Bump stop, raises it up, so nothing's sacrificed integrity wise. Another reason why we love ReadyLIFT so much is their warranty. We're big here at Akins about having quality products that are backed by the manufacturer. So ReadyLIFT has a lift kit warranty called ReadyGuard. So if you take a vehicle to service any dealership, they say, hey, you know, this is not covered because of the component that was installed. You hit ReadyLIFT up, they'll cover it, no questions asked. 5 years, 60,000 miles. The ReadyGuard warranty, gotta love it. Here's a good look at the ReadyLIFT 2.5 inch level kit with drop down brackets on the 2020 F250 Lariat, looking great. Show you a good look at that component that the lift kit is. Right there, very nice, goes on top of your strut assembly there. Installation and alignment, you can clear 37s with the proper wheel and tire fitment. So to wrap it up, next time you guys see things posted online from us or anybody that has ReadyLIFT components on it, don't diss it. ReadyLIFT is leading the game when it comes to level kits and changing the game as far as SST kits, and have so many options for Jeep Gladiators, Wranglers, and other makes and models that you may have, and looking to just get a little bit of flavor, a little bit of spice, something different, get that curb appeal, but also be more capable off-road without breaking the bank. ReadyLIFT, we love. Thanks so much for watching this, guys. Please, please hit that like button, much appreciated, and hit that subscribe button if you've not yet. We're coming out with the release video of this vehicle first of next week. Please stay safe, stay positive. Thanks so much.